Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready. Sign into your Apple ID and open the Stocks app. Once signed in, make sure notifications and Siri access are allowed so alerts work. Tap the search field, type a ticker or company name, and hit plus to follow the stock. This creates your watch list. You do this now because immediate tracking seeds the app with data. After adding a few symbols, swipe to see price changes. Make sure to enable cellular or Wi-Fi for live quotes. Once you have tickers, dive into a single stock view to analyze price action and volume. Select 1D, 1W, 1M, or 1Y to change perspective. Use the Compare tool to overlay another ticker to see correlation, and open the News tab to read context for price moves. Adjust the chart style and pinch to zoom for detail. This helps spot trends and support levels. If you want alerts, tap the bell and set price to act. Remember, Stocks displays quotes. Place trades in your linked brokerage app from the ticker details. Monitor your watch list daily, pull down to refresh for a manual update, and set price alerts to reduce constant checking. If charts or news fail to load, check connectivity, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, and sign out and back into your Apple ID. Also enable background app refresh for stocks. If issues persist, restart the app. That usually clears stale cache and restores live data. This tip fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.